In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off online or last seen status on WhatsApp. If you want a little more privacy so people can't tell exactly when you were last active or whether you are currently using the app, this quick walkthrough is for you. We will make two small changes inside WhatsApp's settings, and I'll also explain what each option actually does so you know exactly what to expect. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. To get into the settings, the path is slightly different depending on your device. On Android, look to the top right and tap the three dots. Then choose Settings from the menu. On iPhone, head to the bottom right and tap the settings icon to open the main settings screen. Now tap Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps all your visibility and safety controls. Next, choose Last Seen and Online. You will see two related options on this screen, and we're going to adjust both to limit who can view your activity. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, select Nobody. This hides the timestamp that shows when you were last on WhatsApp. Keep in mind, when you hide your last seen from others, you also won't be able to view theirs. That's by design, so you get the same level of privacy you choose for yourself. Then look at Who Can See When I Am Online, and select Same as Last Seen. By matching it to your last seen preference, your online status will follow the same rules. With Last Seen set to Nobody, your online presence will also be hidden from everyone. At this point, you've effectively turned off both your last seen and your online status. People won't see a timestamp under your name, and they won't see the word online when you are in the app. A few quick notes to set expectations. This doesn't hide the typing indicator when you are actively typing in a chat, and it doesn't affect read receipts. Read receipts, those blue check marks, are controlled by a separate setting in Privacy. Group chats also have their own behaviors, but your last seen and online status preferences still apply to your profile as a whole. If your menus look slightly different, don't worry, WhatsApp updates wording from time to time. But the Privacy section and the last seen and online screen are consistent across recent versions. To double-check your changes, you can ask a trusted contact to confirm they no longer see your last seen or online status. And that's it. Thanks for watching.